Now, VEVOR ended up sending me this gymnastics air tumbling mat. Now, this actually comes in really handy to do yoga or even gymnastics. Now, for me, this comes in handy for me to do my yoga, but if you have children at home that are into gymnastics, this would be awesome for them. Now, this mat is made of some serious material here. This is made of like a heavy duty PVC type plastic material. It does have these carrying straps as well, and they did provide this shoulder strap so you can actually latch that right on to these hooks on the side, making it super easy for you to just throw it over your shoulder and take it where you gotta go. But if you don't want to use these straps and carry it full like this, they also provided this really convenient bag for you to take all the air out and just roll it right on up into this bag. So that's super convenient as well. So they do state that this will blow up within 60 seconds, and that is totally true to its word because of this pump right here. This is no joke. It blew this up so quickly, I was super impressed. And the tumbler, even quicker. So just to give you some relevance here on how big everything is, so I'm 5'6", and I have plenty of space to do any type of yoga activity or gymnastics if I wanted to. No problem here. And with the straps on the side here, make it so easy to be able to just do some tricks here. So if you're looking for a mat that is gonna help you with your yoga moves or maybe even your tumbling moves via your gymnastics, and would definitely help you in your gymnastics routine. So ultimately, I am super impressed with the quality of this, and the setup and takedown time is super quick.